Yesterday, I talked about something called the window of willingness. How do you know if it's safe and in your best interest to heal and rebuild with someone or heal yourself and move along? And one thing, lots of comments, and one thing that I want you to know, and of course, this is what we teach in great depth in our Trust Again 2.0 program in the PBT Institute. Here's the thing I want you to know. Sometimes someone can be a 3 or a 4, meaning they are blaming you, they're taking no responsibility. And then you may get very confused because they act like a 1. And by that I mean deep remorse, regret, empathy, restitution. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much I hurt you, and all these things. Be very aware of the difference between true and complete remorse, regret, empathy, all of that, and love bombing, which is very, very different. Love bombing is designed to throw you off track and just get you to like simmer down when you're reacting and responding to a betrayal. And that person who betrayed you knows, oh, I better turn it on, to get them to just be okay. And so they're bombarding you with all of the things to have you believe you're safe and okay. Very different than when someone truly wakes up to what they've done. They own it. They're taking full and complete responsibility. And here's the big thing. They have that whatever it takes attitude. And by that I mean whatever it takes to repair the damage that was done, whatever it takes to rebuild your sense of safety and trust, whatever it takes to soothe your broken heart. Very different when someone takes complete and full ownership responsibility and when someone is love bombing just to get you to just, have it simmer down, go away. So I hope that makes the difference. Again, this is all in our Trust Again 2.0 program. Find it at the PBT Institute, but wanted to give you some clarity there. So if you're being love bombed, understand the difference between that and true and complete remorse, empathy, regret. Very different experiences. Hope that helps. Follow for more.